Let's get brutally honest, most people, they'll never be financially free. Not because they're lazy, but because they're stuck in a system that was never built to make them stable, just compliant. The truth is, 90% of people are playing the money game by rules designed to keep them losing. You're about to see exactly why that happens, and how to flip the script. Lie number 1. Work hard and everything will be fine. Just work hard, and the money will come. So you get a job, pay your bills, save a little and hope for a raise. Hard work without leverage leads to burnout, not wealth. They grind 40+ hours a week with no ownership, no assets, and no systems. They build something once, then let it pay them forever. Lie number 2. Budgeting alone will save you. Budgeting is smart, but it's not a wealth strategy. It's like rearranging deck chairs on a sinking ship. Sure, cut the $5 coffee if you want. But if you're not increasing your income or creating systems that multiply money, the wealthy don't obsess over pennies. Lie number 3. Saving is safer than creating. The average person hoards cash for security. But with inflation and rising costs, that cash is melting. Digital asset, passive income streams, automated side hustles, scalable tools and products, they don't just save. They build machines that grow wealth quietly in the background. The real reasons 90% fail financially: they trade time for money and nothing else. No ownership, no escape. They delay action, waiting for perfect timing. Spoiler: it never comes. They think small, cutting costs instead of building value. They fear failure more than they fear staying stuck. They rely on one income stream and call it security. This mindset isn't their fault. But now that you see it, you can outgrow it. Learn a skill. Build a product. Automate delivery, drive free traffic. An AI-generated toolkit for small businesses, a faceless YouTube channel with ad revenue, a digital planner or template for Etsy, a microcourse teaching something niche, but when stacked together, they create financial momentum. And momentum is what the 90% never get. How to break out of the 90% trap: choose one scalable skill. Writing, editing, digital design, automation, AI prompts, video content. Learn it fast. Use free tools. Apply it immediately. Turn that skill into a product or service. A solution that someone can buy. Post on TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest. Drive traffic with value, not ads. Automate delivery. Stripe, ConvertKit, whatever you need, so it sells while you sleep. Do this once and you'll feel it. Do it 5 times, and you're in the 10%. This isn't magic, it's just what works. Because if it did, it wouldn't have control anymore. Financial stability isn't about working more. It's about working differently. Most people never make that switch. Will you join the 10%? Or you can start building something that earns even when you're not around. You can keep saving pennies. Or create something that pays dollars while you sleep. It's not about luck, it's not about timing. It's about strategy. And now, you've got one. If this shifted your perspective, don't forget to like and subscribe.